Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Conrad kongkal sangma habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor mentak kesengi ka arpuai trik Jylla ulaong. Kumba ka ayom jong uslap bat kala kala wan haki babon ki benta jong ke Jylla nakal yang ke sorkar kala Pynlong ye ke Jingïalang ban pet benya harengkat ki tenat trikam bapher jong ke sorkar ki bakintup ye ke tenat revenue disaster management ka tenat food and civil supplies bat ki wei Haga Jingïalang jong baro ki deputy commissioners jong ki district bapher Hapoh ke Jylla ha ka ba haga ni ke Jingïalang la ya keren ha ka ba ya dei bat ke Pynlong ban pet benya ye ki Jingpynkhreh jong ke Mariang nangta ke Jingklat jong ki breu bat ki wei pat ki ki ba ki pat ba bat ru ki district Hapoh ke Jylla ki ye kendo bat haga ni ke sengi la ya keren ru Halor ke Jingpynkhreh ye ki kindon ki ba ki bor district ki la shim bat ru ban penti kena Halor ke Jingpynkhreh bat ke Jingpynkhreh na ka benta ke Jingjur jong uslam haga ni gisngi ki banwan.
As the monsoon has already approached and we are seeing heavy rainfalls and heavy winds in many parts of the state, we conducted a review meeting today along with all the concerned departments like revenue, disaster management and food and service supplies, health, along with all the deputy commissioners of the different districts. This review has been done to look into all the damages and the loss of lives and the different challenges that the districts are facing and the public are facing at the ground level, and also to review the steps that have been taken by the district administration, and more importantly also to ensure that we make necessary arrangements and prepare for the coming days in which we expect that the rainfall could be more and heavier, and in such eventuality